Restoring your hair is possible with the perfect blend of technology and artistry. Artas Hair Transplant offers a precise, minimally invasive procedure with natural-looking results. How does Artas Hair Transplant work? Local anesthesia. Applied to numb both the donor and recipient areas for maximum comfort. Hair follicle extraction. The Artas robotic system identifies and extracts hair follicles with precision and minimal discomfort. Recipient site preparation. The surgeon creates tiny incisions where the harvested follicles will be transplanted. Hair implantation. Unlike other centers, at CHR we choose manual implantation to add an artistic touch and achieve even more natural results. State-of-the-art technology. The Artas system uses advanced algorithms and image-guided robotics to select the best follicles, ensuring optimal distribution and natural growth. If you're looking for a high-tech hair transplant with natural results, Artas Hair Transplant is the best choice. Visit our website and book your consultation today. Subscribe to our channel for more hair restoration insights.